Hi guys, today I've got 3 easy hairstyles that take 2 minutes or under. To start, we've got this beautiful sleek chignon bun. To start, I'm just going to add some smoothing cream all over the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. So just massage it into your hands and spread it evenly throughout the hair. Then brush the hair into a low ponytail and secure with an elastic band. Hold on to the ponytail at the base with one hand and hold on to the middle of it with the other. Then with the hand at the base, we're just going to rotate this underneath to create a loop and bring the ends over to the opposite side. Secure on the left hand side with a few bobby pins. And with that top section, I'm just going to give it a couple of twists towards the head and bring it down towards the right hand side, and again secure with a couple more pins. With the tail ends, I'm just going to sweep these underneath, tuck them in, and then just secure again with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, I've got a beautiful curly bun. I've started by curling the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're simply going to divide it in half straight across. Pop the top half into a ponytail and then just clip it on top of the head out of your way. Then gather the remaining hair and put it in another ponytail directly underneath the first one. So you should have 2 ponytails on top of each other. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray to the curls and then some wax spray to the top of the head. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair on top of the head for some more texture and volume. Taking hold of that top ponytail, twist it all in one direction, keeping it loose, and then pinch and pull for some more fullness. And we're going to take this over to the right hand side and over the top of that little elastic band. Hold it to the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed, but make sure you leave the ends hanging out on the left hand side. Then take the bottom ponytail and we're going to do a simple 3-strand braid. Again, keep it nice and loose and don't tie it off with an elastic band. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the edge of each stitch of those braids. Again, this is just for some more volume and texture. And with this, we're going to bring it up to the left hand side and then bring the ends over to the right hand side. Use as many bobby pins as you need to secure this to the head, again leaving the ends hanging out on the right hand side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. I love how this one looks a lot more complicated than it is. For the third and final hairstyle, we've got a 1-minute roll and tuck bun. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail, but on the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a loop. Then using your fingers, we're going to make a hole above the elastic band and we're just going to flip that loop up into that hole and start tucking it in. Make sure you tuck the ends in as well. Then push it towards the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. I always keep my bobby pins closed. Gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.